Now, in this video, we are going to review the most common mispronunciations by, well, people who learn Latvian as a foreign language, just so you know what to watch out for. And the first one of those is the letter C is very commonly mistaken for a K in Latvian. That probably stems from you already speaking English, but you should remember that a C is never a K. And so when you ask for pizza, ask for pizza, not pika, right? Because otherwise you might get into a snowball fight. So pizza, pika. I have found here, as you can see, some word pairs that even have different meanings. In other cases, it might happen that you are just not understood by the Latvian you are speaking to. Either way, pronouncing that sound right is pretty crucial in being able to communicate. So yeah, in this word pair, it's pizza versus pika. Next word pair has jauca and jauka. And then we got cālis and kālis. So that's one. Then there's another letter that is very commonly mispronounced, and that is this S. And many people tend to pronounce it as Z. It shouldn't be that. And here again, I have a couple of word pairs. We have masa and maza. Masa and maza. Sometimes people find it tricky to recognize the difference between the letters, the sounds. And if that is your case, then try to remember in English the words sand and zero. You do pronounce them differently, the first sound of each word, right? So sand and zero. Sand is what you need in the S, and zero, that's the sound that you got in the Z letter. So massa, maza. Then we have esi, ezi, and bise, bize. The next letter that is commonly mispronounced is this Z on its own as well. Sometimes people pronounce it close to ts. It shouldn't be that, so z is z. Try to say ziema and not tsiema. Ziema, tsiema. The other word pair, zars, tsars. Zars, tsars. And then one more, zila, tsila. Right? And then we have one of those diphthongs that we had before. We have a, which is not to be pronounced as I. We have one very commonly mispronounced pair as the first one, meita, daughter, maita, carcass of a dead animal, right? Maita is actually even used as a swear word quite often, meaning something like this. So meita, maita. Then raises, rises. Weights, weights. So just be careful about those four kinds of letters or sounds when you see them, and you'll be well on your way to speaking Latvian like a native.